In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin emails in Gmail. If you've ever lost track of an important message in a crowded inbox, this quick method will save you time and stress. In Gmail, pinning an email simply means starring it. Think of the star as a bookmark that elevates a message so you can get back to it instantly. Start by opening Gmail and locating the message you want to keep handy. On a computer, look to the left of the email's subject line for the small star icon. Click that star. On a phone or tablet, the process is just as simple. Find the email in your inbox and tap the star next to it. You can also open the email first and then tap the star at the top. When the star lights up, the email is now pinned. Nothing is moved or duplicated. The email stays right where it is in your inbox or label, but it gains that special status so you can find it faster later. Now let's see where all your pinned emails live. Open Gmail's main menu by tapping the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger icon, in the top corner of the screen. From the list that appears, tap Starred. This view collects every email you've starred in one convenient place, making it your go-to list for reminders, follow-ups, travel details, receipts, or anything you need at your fingertips. You'll notice that the emails appear here instantly after you star them, and they'll remain in this list until you remove the star. The star system works the same across devices, so if you pin an email on your phone, you'll see it starred on your computer too. That consistency makes it perfect for workflows where you triage messages on the go and revisit them later from a desktop. It's also great for keeping focus. Instead of leaving everything unread or relying on memory, you're creating a short, curated list of priorities. A quick note on best practices. Use stars for messages you know you'll need to act on or reference soon. This keeps your starred view clean and meaningful so it doesn't become just another inbox. And remember, starring is reversible. If a message is no longer important, simply click or tap the star again to unmark it, and it will drop out of the starred list. That's all there is to it. Click or tap the star to pin, then open the menu and choose starred to see them all in one place. Simple, fast, and reliable.